Delete Instagram account. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to delete Instagram account. First of all, go to your Instagram. After you open your Instagram, all you have to do now, tap on this profile site, this one. So tap on this three line at the top right side. Tap on this account center. Under this account center, tap on this profile. So as you can see now I have my Instagram and my Facebook account are connected. Now I'm going to show you how to delete the Instagram account. So tap on this back arrow. Scroll to down. After you scroll to down, tap on this personal details. Under this personal detail, tap on this section which says account ownership and control. So tap on this section which says deletion or deactivation. So now all you have to do now, select the Instagram account you want to delete. So make sure you select on this delete. As you can see now, I check on this delete. So tap on this continue. So in this session, choose your reason for deleting your account. So I'll just tap on this something else. So after you select the last option, tap on this continue button. Now it will ask you to type in your password before you delete your Instagram account. So after you type in your password, all you have to do now, tap on this continue button. So as you can see now, if I tap on this delete account now it will delete my Instagram account permanently. That's it guys. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.